folks, and thanks for sticking with us on this Sunday morning. I hope you're having a great day. Right now we are joined with the ladies from the Behavioral Health Solutions, and you all are going to be talking to us about an exciting event, and we're going to get to that. But first, why don't I introduce you both? We are joined by Norma Galvan, and you're a program coordinator, and we have Jennifer Hicks, you are the recovery programs coordinator. Yes. Awesome. Now tell us a little bit about Behavioral Health Solutions.
Behavioral Health Solutions has actually been around for a little over 25 years now, and we do a little bit about everything. We do prevention, intervention, recovery, treatment. We do data collections and research also. So we do anything like, I know with recovery and outpatient. Recovery is just, helping anybody sustain sobriety in a long term. We have the youth programs and adult programs, as well as an outpatient program that can help you if you need that more intense counseling. Norma oversees the YPs.
Youth prevention. Our prevention staff actually works very closely with the school districts. We actually implement an evidence-based curricula, reducing those risk factors, enhancing those protective factors. As you may know, I think it's safe to say that we all know somebody that's been impacted by substance abuse, whether it's a friend, a family. So it's really important that we're out there doing prevention, because it works. Prevention works. We are working closely with these students so that we're able to equip them with those necessary skills that are needed to be prosperous beings in the future.
Definitely. And do you see yourself kind of targeting more of those kids who maybe that have been affected? They've had a parent or a relative versus someone who may have not seen that firsthand in their home?
Absolutely. So we have 3 different levels of prevention, and we actually have our youth prevention indicator program that works with those kiddos that are already exhibiting a risk factor, whether it's early signs of substance use in the foster care system, maybe somebody who has already truancy issues, and we work very closely with them for a whole semester. And it's actually a great program. Like I mentioned, it's evidence-based curricula, proven to be effective, and yeah, that's what we do. Aside from that, we have coalitions, and they work in mobilizing the community. So as you may already know, we have an opioid crisis right now that we, it's something that we're out there doing what we can to educate the community, not only on what it is, why it's so common in the Valley, because we live right across from the border, but also what are we doing to combat that? Some of our drop boxes have been placed for people to dispose of their medication properly, which is something that not a lot of people in our community know. So that's what we're doing out there. All of our prevention staff, all of our program coordinators were out there, not only raising awareness, but also letting them know what are we doing to combat this opioid crisis.
Definitely. And with students, I know speaking on the youth specifically, is it something that when they are abusing substances, is it because of like peer pressure, is it because of things at home, or is it just kind of their curiosity that's kind of?
And it's a combination of all, it could be, peer pressure. I think more so because they're at that age where they're trying to establish an identity. So if they are peer pressured, they are most likely to engage. Now, if they started smoking and it's something that they see at home, that is a gateway, so then they start experimenting with other things. So, it can be a combination of all of that.
Most definitely, it's also just different things within the home environment. Maybe not just seeing their family like drinking or smoking, but just stuff that's going on internally, maybe not just immediate family, but extended family, some type of trauma, just, something that's going on, something that they can't express, they feel that they can't express. Sometimes it's bullying, things like that, the bullying's on a rise.
They're using it
as a coping skill, so it could be a little bit of pretty much anything. And then social media really doesn't help also, I think.
Right.
So it's pretty much anything that it could be.
Definitely. And so I think that's good that you guys are kind of working on that now with youth, especially, just to kind of make them aware and kind of.
And we work with parents as well, educating the parents. What are the latest drug trends? What do you need to look out for? How can you help this youth not fall through the cracks, because it starts at home. And in fact, parental involvement is the #1 protective factor in preventing our children from engaging in substance usage. So those parents that are out there at open house, all of those meetings, it's fundamental in helping our youth live a drug-free life, and that's what we need. We need to enhance those protective factors and reduce those risk factors in our community.
In our area for recovery, it's more of supportive members, because in recovery, not everybody as their family. We're not ones to say who your family is. So it could be a neighbor, it could be an aunt, it could be a really good friend. So it's just a supportive member just going along within that journey, because it is a lifetime change. And we always say it's a process. It's not a race to get to the finish line. It's a long-term thing. So So we try to educate family, anybody that they count as family, to educate them and let them know how to support this person going through it, whether it be on our youth program or our adult program, just to help them, guide them through this.
Definitely, and of course, I'm sure you do a lot of events and outreach programs, especially I know you're doing a fundraiser coming up now.
Yes.
This is Casino Night, Roaring 20s, right?
Roaring 20s,
Yes.
yes. So we're really excited. We've had our fundraiser. We only host one annually. As a local nonprofit, we do rely heavily on the generosity of our community just to continue providing the amazing services that we already provide. This event is taking place on the 27th, Friday, April 27th, and it'll be at Hacienda San Juan. Tickets are $50, and we're going to be providing just a really fun night where you're able to just pretty much support a cause. A very important cause.
Oh, exciting. Now, with Roaring 20s is a theme, I'm imagining, so
Yes.
you're coming dressed up.
Yes.
Okay.
We're
The flappers.
the flappers. We have a Bentley. Is it the
It's a Rolls Royce.
a Rolls Royce? Yeah, outside to take pictures. Yeah, the Rolls Royce.
Wow, okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's really
So
going all out.
all out, you
That's
know, and we're
amazing.
really excited. We're really excited about this. It'll provide a sit-down dinner, and it also provides 250 in chips as soon as you arrive with your ticket, and just entertainment, you know, and a fun night. And again, it's supporting a great cause.
Definitely. And now, where can people go to purchase these tickets online? Can they call someone? Can they call you guys?
Yes, so the information is on the flyer that we provided. They can either contact Jennifer if they are in the upper Rio Grande Valley, or they can contact me in the lower Rio Grande Valley, or even Willacy County. Yes, and we're able to meet up with them or drop them off. There's also sponsorship opportunities as well. So that's something that, you know, if they're interested, they can always reach out to us. It will be also for them to promote their agency as well.
Or just any donations. We do have like PayPal on our website. They can always just go on and just make a donation on there.
So April 27th.
April 27th, yes.
In San Juan, tickets are
$7
$50.
at 7 p.m.
Perfect. And you can go onto the website. You can give these ladies a call if you'd like to purchase tickets right now. That number is on your screen. Of course, so is the website, www.bhsst.org. Thank you, ladies, so much for coming in today. I really appreciate it. Sounds like it's going to be a roaring time. Definitely have to get out there. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, thank you so much. All right, folks, when we come back, we are talking about the 11th annual Jackson Street Classic Car Show. You won't want to miss this. Stay with us.